Hello everyone, my name is Ushyar and today is my first day uh, in YouTube and this is my first video that I'm recording uh, for teaching the C++ uh, programming language. So this is a short introduction about C++ and my channel is about computer science and I hope that I will be useful. Um, my courses will be useful and we'll be having a good time in learning new things. So first thing, what is C++? C++ is a cross-platform language. This is about that, yeah, that you can use C++ in uh, interfaces of softwares, um, in games, in Windows platform, in cell phone, in application, and you can use it everywhere. This C++ is a high level of control over system resources and memory. Uh, you can uh, you can control your resources and RAM because C++ is very flexible and strong in that point, and I think it's a good option for that one. C++ is one of the world's most popular programming languages. So it shows because it's based on C program language and uh, it's been very long years that everyone using C++ and it has a good position in everywhere. C++ can be found in today's operating systems, graphical user interfaces, and embedded systems. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. Um, this option, object-oriented, it is in the programming languages that are in a high level languages because they are close to uh, human languages, and you can simple your programming with object oriented because you can make it easier to read, make it very easier to manage, um, and object oriented programming is a newer version of programming languages in that major. C++ is portable and can be used to develop applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. C++ is fun and easy to learn. As C++ is close to C Sharp and Java, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to C++ or vice versa. Uh, I have used C, C++, C Sharp, and Java. And yes, when you learn C++, you can work with C Sharp and Java very easier. And it's another good point of C++. So, uh, my projects, I have a very short introduction about this language, and if you want to know more about that, you can search on Google. But um, I wanna show you, I wanna teach you C++ in a project way. and my teaching um, based on projects, real projects, and I hope you like it because I think practices are more than theories. And today I want to show you my first program here, that Hello World. Hello World is the first program that you can use in every language for the first time. Sorry. Uh, you can see this header file here. Include IOStream. IOStream is a header file that you need to use for C++ because your input and output variables based on this header file IOStream, and you need to use it. And using namespace std, when you use this one, use this code line. You didn't have to use std back of your cout or cin or etc., and I will show you in my programs. So main function, you need to use it always, and it is in the every project of C++, and it's necessary. So cout prints out something that you want to show on the string in C++, and it's necessary, and I want to show you more than that, but just I want to switch to Visual Studio for my for the next positions of learning. Just a minute. So here I am using Visual Studio 2019, and I want to show you how to start a C++ project here. So first thing, create a new project. We click on that. Okay. Uh, I want to start with this console app. Run code in a Windows terminal. Point hello world by default. So I'm choosing this one. Next. So here you can choose a name for your project, the location of your project, and this is the name again, and so create. Just wait a minute until it will start it, and I don't wanna skip anything until it will start, and it will start it, and I wanna show you everything there. I'm sorry, my computer is a little slow, and this is because of that. So by default you can see the cout of hello world that it will be showing on the screen of your computer when you run the program, but I don't want these lines and also these lines. Just see it here. When you don't using namespace std, you should always use this std one here for printout or something you wanna get as input from the keyboard. but just type using, I'm sorry, just a little zoom in, using namespace std. Okay, and I wanna clean this out, clean this. So, and our code is ready now, and it doesn't have any problem. When I run this, it will be running, and just a minute. Okay, as you can see, the hello world printout here, and my program uh, running successfully. It doesn't have any problem. So, uh, how to get a number from input? You can use scene. Okay, I'm sorry. For example, I'm defining a variable into x. It is integer, not float, not. You can use integer numbers here. You can define a variable in a line code or multiple variable. It doesn't have any problem. And I wanna get x and y from input and show their sum in the output. I have x and y. Please enter two numbers from it's enough. And when you print out something, you should put it in double quotations, and every code line in C++ and with a semicolon. Remember that it is always necessary to put a semicolon here. Okay, I'm gonna get scene x cout. This is for escaping a lion, and then scene y. So the sum of that cout x plus y, just this. And I'm running my program to see if it is running or not. So as you can see, my program is running, and now I wanna uh, I enter 8 and 8 and it shows 16. And uh, saying that again, that today is my first day. I am sorry that my video is a little long. For the next courses, I will try to make it a little to make it shorter and make it very better and more useful. And I hope that you'll be enjoying my courses.